Guys, these video is going to be the next trendsetter, and it only take 2 minutes to make these video. So to create these types of videos, you have two methods. The first method is by using an object name, and the second method is by giving a reference image. But first, take a look at this video which I made in just 2 minutes. So let's quickly start with method 1. For this method, simply open the prompt link from the description and start copying the first prompt, because it already has everything that will make your video look completely realistic and stay in proper flow. Once you have copied the entire prompt, open Flow AI. You can also use any other video AI model to generate the video, but I am using Flow AI. Now click on New Project, and a window will appear like this. Here, go to this option and select the Video option. Then copy my exact video settings for better and more consistent results every single time. First, change the video ratio to 9:16. Then select the video model as Omni Flash and choose the video duration or video length as 10 seconds. After this, the video quantity is completely your choice, but I am putting it at 1. Once everything is done, simply paste your prompt here. Now, here comes the important part. Go to the top section of the prompt, and here you will see the object name section. Now, start typing any object name inside the square brackets, and that is the only thing you need to change in the prompt. After that, simply click on Generate, and your video will start generating. It will take some time, but trust me, this method will be really beneficial. Now your video is completely generated, so let's watch the result together. And subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. So the result is pretty impressive. If you like it too, then let's move on to the second method. For this method, you need a reference object picture. It can be anything. For this example, I am using Pinterest. On Pinterest, you will find thousands of inspiration images. Simply search for any object name. I am searching for Transformers, and it will show you many different pictures. Just go through all of them and select the best image with a clear background. Open that image and download it safely. After that, open the prompt link again, and now go to prompt 2 and start selecting it, because this prompt is specifically redesigned to accept a reference image. Copy this full prompt and then head over to Flow AI. Here, click on New Project and a window will appear. Now click on the plus icon and it will show you some options. Simply select Upload Image and upload your reference object image here. Flow AI will take some time to upload your image in the highest quality. Once the upload is complete, click on this option and select the Video option. Now copy my exact video settings for better and more consistent results every single time. First, change the video ratio to 9:16. Then select the video model as Omni Flash and choose the video duration or video length as 10 seconds. After this, the video quantity is your choice, but I am putting it at 1. Once everything is done, click on your uploaded image and then click on the 3-dot option. It will show you a few options, but you simply need to click on Add to Prompt. After that, your image will be added directly to your prompt box. Now simply paste your prompt here and click on Generate. Your video will start generating, and once it is ready, let's watch the result together. One more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.